So in this video, I want to go over how to draw a contour line onto your image. And I know in my previous video, I think the line was a little bit too thin, and so I'm going to come back over to my drawing tools, make sure I click my pencil, and I'm going to pick another color, like a pink, that will make it a little bit easier for you to see the line that I'm drawing. One of the things you want to do is make sure that your fill is at 0%. And it's at 0% now, and you can see I can draw a line and it's just fine. I'm going to undo this. Now I'm going to show you what happens when I do 100% fill. It's filling it in, and that's not what I want. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to make sure that I click this drop here so it's at 0%, and then I'm going to come over here to change the thickness of my drawing tool, and I'm going to go ahead and start with 4 pixels. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit more, adjust a little bit so you can see my whole face, and select my pencil tool again, and I'm going to start drawing. I'm going to do this pretty quickly so you just get the idea, and you can see very clearly the line that I'm drawing around my head. So I'm going to go all the way around here, and you can see how that is done. I'm doing this just one continuous line, and there you go. Now I want to do my eye, so I'm going to zoom in really close. If you want to do something that's small, you want to come in really close with a zoom, and I'm going to change this eventually so you can see how thick this line is. It's a little bit too thick to do my eye, I think. So I'm going to come back, I'm going to undo it, and I'm going to change it to 2. It's kind of hard to do it on the slider, so I'm going to manually type in 2. And now you can see the line is just slightly thinner than the other line that I drew around my head. And there you go. I went ahead and I drew my eye. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out so you can see. And there you go. That's how you do a contour line drawing.